Where are you from?
From my mother.
South Africa. Nice meeting you, ma'am. All you need is to hold in the middle one. You can do it. Hold in the middle one. Yeah. Both hands in the middle. Then bend your knees. Okay. 1, 2, 3, go. Jump!
Jump! Call. Hey! It's okay, 500 for me.
Yeah, in the and
Right. Down. Go there. Down your turn. Go down. Hold tight, ah. Go. Let's go. From India. Oh. Okay. Bend. Go. 1, 2, 3, legs up, amiga. Let's go. Oh.
bad luck.
1, 2, 3, legs up. Ano para magabasin sakit lang no ha. Stay. Karon pa man gud na sa ano gulo mo ma'am.
Where are you from, ma'am? Czech Republic. Jump! Wow.
Thank you.
Dito, bata ko. Picture daw yung mga itong
Sige po.
Okay lang, ma'am?
Yeah. Una may. Mga take a picture first, okay? Wait. Balance. Masaya. Oh, that is a fast belt.
1, 2, 3.
Sige po. Thank you din.
Excuse me po, ma'am. Sulan, meron po kaming question po. Isa lang po. Ano po yung experience nyo inside sa cove and especially po sa jellyfishes?
Yeah, sabi ko sa kanya, super ganda yung road. Tapos very serene, wala pa masyadong tao. Yun yung gusto ko kasi minsan pag may tourist attraction, maraming tao, di ka mag-appreciate ng lugar. Pero dito sobrang lawak, daming space. Tapos gusto talaga nila yung hawak ng jellyfish kasi super slimy and malapit sila. Yeah.
Thank you so much, ma'am, for coming.
Wait lang, iba.